Good morning, everybody. It's Monday, and we're going into our first week, full week of February. It's grey, it's cold. Gonna do a short run before work. I have a long run on Wednesday, and a fun run, a night run on Saturday, the après-ski run. So guys, 1K in. Tell me, what's your plan for this month? Are you gonna train? Or do you have a race plan? Let me know. So everybody is coughing at work. So my nose it's a little bit in a cold state. My throat is not nice. I hope I can run through it and to get it out of my body what I got at this point. So we will see. So I believe this is not my day to run. A really hard time. But okay. Going back home and see you on Wednesday. Bye. Hey guys. So it's Wednesday. And should have been my long run, but I was lazy, tired to go outside for a run. My right calf is tight and it's too painful right now, so I have my flat one. Hey Mick. Hi. So I thought after a walk with this guy and his brother, I would do a bit of foam rolling, but it really hurts me. So yeah, I hope to do a run tomorrow, a short one. Okay, bye guys. Good morning, guys. So, it's really cold this morning. Trying to do a short run before work. Only part that's not so good is that I really got that cold. Gonna take some extra vitamins today and hope not to get sick. But we will see. So yesterday I didn't do my long run, and now I know why I was lazy / tired. I'm glad I'm outside and doing my run, and I'm gonna take my hello. See you in a bit. So, got a bit of a problem with my cap. It went off while I was taking my headband off. But okay. I'm gonna put my glove back on. So guys, I'm gonna put you away. I've got 13 minutes left of this run. Recap of the run from Saturday will be up on YouTube this week. It's an extra upload. See you guys.